you've had these Dyson V6 vacuums around for a while like I have, then you want to get the most life you can out of these things. And what will happen after a while is your battery will die and it'll start behaving like this. You'll start hearing this sound. It's almost like you're pulsing the trigger like I did there. As you press and hold the trigger, it'll just cycle like that and just cycle. One way to deal with that is make sure that the filter here at the top is clean. But even if that's clean, the next thing I would check is your battery. Battery's probably dead. Here's a replacement battery that fixes both problems for you, because when you buy this particular kit, you're going to get replacement filters, and then you're going to get the battery itself and the tools you need to install that, and even the replacement screws. So there's two tiny little screws that are provided here, small ones and long ones. So you get 4 total. Those are going to be used to sustain the battery in its spot and to keep it there. There's a little tiny screw here at the front, and then there's another little screw here at the top. So you're going to need to unscrew those, and they give you that tool for that, in order to slide this into your unit. So I'll show you how to do that. Really pretty easy. First thing you're going to do is just take this discharge button here, push it all the way down, and that'll open the door. Push it all the way down again, and that'll remove the whole front debris cartridge. Now you can get access to that screw. The first one will be right here, and the second one will be right here. I'm going to use the wrench that they gave me. It's just a little Phillips screwdriver. There we go. And now with that removed, the battery will slide right off like that. You can take your brand new replacement, slide that right back in. Fits in just fine. Take your screw here. Replace it. Tighten that up. And now when you get this brand new, you're going to want to charge it for a little while before you start using it. It's more healthy for the battery if you do that. Give it a nice full charge. Use it 2 or 3 times, and then what you're going to find is that the device will be at its full capacity after you've used it a couple times and charged it. So easy to just clip this back in place. Don't forget that second screw there, but you don't have to do that one. I usually don't. Just makes it easier to service it. Pop this in here. And we're off to the races. So yeah, I definitely would recommend. This is a great kit. You're going to get everything you need to keep your Dyson V6 working great. A couple extra filters, nice fresh battery. You're going to be lasting a long time. This has got 8,000 milliamps. Nice size battery. Hope that helps. Have a great day.